DIQEM presents the most important MCQs questions of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973. Question number 41. Which article of the Constitution deals with the composition of the National Assembly? Answer: Article 51. Next. Under what article a person may be disqualified from being member of a parliament? Answer: Article 63. Next. Finance Commission award is mentioned in which article? Answer: Article 160. Next. Who has the authority to interpret the Constitution? Answer: Supreme Court. Next. The President can promulgate an ordinance under which article? Answer: Article 89. Next. The Constitution declares Urdu as? Answer: national language. Next. Number of women reserved seats in the National Assembly as per Constitution is? Answer: 60. Next. The original Constitution of 1973 was passed by the National Assembly on? Answer: 10th April, 1973. Next. Who can be the Chief Justice of Pakistan? Answer: most senior judge of the Supreme Court. Next. What is the term of office for the President of Pakistan? Answer: 5 years. Next. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by? Answer: President. Next. Which article ensures that laws must conform to Islamic injunctions? Answer: Article 227. Next. A person cannot be detained without being informed of charges beyond? Answer: 24 hours. Next. The right to education is guaranteed under? Answer: Article 25A. Next. Islamic Council must submit reports to Parliament? Answer: annually or as necessary. Next. Article 8 states? Answer: laws inconsistent with fundamental rights are void. Next. The composition of the Senate is mentioned in? Answer: Article 59. Next. The power to pardon or remit sentences lies with? Answer: President. Next. The Constitution allows preventive detention in which article? Answer: Article 10. Next. The total number of articles as amended in the Constitution is over? Answer: 300. The end. Wait for the next video.